Welcome to Knowledge Hub Factory. Today we are diving deep into one of the most transformative innovations in human history, the Internet. From its humble beginnings as a military experiment to the vast interconnected web that defines modern life. The Internet has revolutionized how we communicate, work, learn, and even think. In this documentary, we will trace the Internet's evolution step by step, exploring the technological breakthroughs, key figures, and global impact that have shaped the world as we know it. The birth of the Internet, our story, begins in the 1960s, during the Cold War. In response to fears of a Soviet attack that could disrupt communication networks, the United States Department of Defense initiated a project known as ARPANET, the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Designed as a decentralized communication system, ARPANET allowed multiple computers to share data across vast distances without relying on a single point of failure. In 1969, ARPANET sent its first message between two computers located at UCLA and Stanford. Although the initial attempt crashed after just two letters, L and O from the word login, it marked the dawn of a new era. The early years of ARPANET were primarily focused on connecting universities and research institutions. The technology evolved steadily, leading to significant milestones. By 1971, the network had grown to 15 nodes, including MIT, Harvard, and NASA. This expansion set the stage for greater advancements in digital communication. Early expansion and innovations. By the 1970s, ARPANET was growing rapidly, linking research institutions across the United States. This period saw the development of foundational technologies like TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol, designed by Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn in 1974. TCP/IP became the universal language of the Internet, allowing different networks to connect seamlessly. Email also emerged as a significant breakthrough during this time. Created by Ray Tomlinson in 1971, email became the first application to demonstrate the Internet's potential for fast, asynchronous communication. This breakthrough transformed ARPANET from just a technical experiment into a practical communication tool. The 1980s brought about even greater expansion. Universities and government agencies joined ARPANET, and the concept of electronic mail, or email, began to flourish, changing the way people communicated forever. The creation of the Domain Name System, DNS, in 1983 further simplified online navigation, replacing numerical IP addresses with readable domain names like .com, .org, and .edu. The World Wide Web. While ARPANET laid the groundwork, it was the invention of the World Wide Web in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist working at CERN, that truly transformed the Internet. The web allowed users to access documents and resources through hyperlinks, making navigation intuitive and accessible. Berners-Lee also introduced the first web browser, enabling users to surf the web for the first time. In 1991, the World Wide Web was made public, and within a few short years, the Internet was no longer just a tool for scientists and the military. It was a global phenomenon. The introduction of web browsers like Mosaic and Netscape made accessing information easier than ever before, setting the stage for the digital age. Commercialization and the dot-com boom. The 1990s saw the commercialization of the Internet. Companies like Netscape, Yahoo, and AOL brought web browsing to the masses. E-commerce began to rise, with Amazon and eBay launching in 1995. The world was now connected in ways previously unimaginable. This era also witnessed the dot-com boom, where Internet-based companies rapidly grew in value, promising to revolutionize everything from shopping to communication. Though the bubble burst in 2000, it set the stage for the Internet-driven economy we see today. The development of broadband Internet in the late 1990s dramatically increased connection speeds, allowing for richer content and real-time communication, paving the way for online video, music streaming, and gaming. Social media and the mobile revolution. The early 2000s introduced social media platforms like MySpace, Facebook, and Twitter, changing the way people interact. Smartphones and mobile Internet access further accelerated the Internet's growth, making it possible to stay connected anytime, anywhere. With the introduction of the iPhone in 2007, mobile browsing surged, and apps became the new frontier for digital interaction. Platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Snapchat emerged, making the internet a part of daily life on a global scale. The global impact of the internet today. The internet is an integral part of global society. It drives economies, fosters innovation, and connects billions of people. From education and healthcare to social activism and international business, its impact is profound and far-reaching. Governments, businesses, and individuals rely on the internet for communication, commerce, and information sharing. Its influence has sparked debates on privacy, cybersecurity, and digital rights, issues that continue to shape its evolution. The internet has also played a vital role in bridging cultural gaps, allowing people from different parts of the world to connect and share ideas instantly. Global movements, digital revolutions, and even political uprisings have been powered by the rapid spread of information online. The future of the internet. As we look to the future, emerging technologies like 5G, blockchain, and quantum computing promise to transform the digital landscape even further. The Internet of Things, IoT, is already linking everyday objects to the internet, creating smarter cities and homes. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence is shaping how we interact with technology, making the internet more intuitive and personalized. The internet's journey from a military project to a global necessity is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of connectivity. As we look to the future, the internet's influence will only continue to grow, shaping the next generation in ways we can only begin to imagine. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and technology. Make sure to subscribe to Knowledge Hub Factory for more insightful explorations of world-changing innovations.